Hello and welcome guys to lesson 7. It's the transition tab. So, as always, you can put a star on any transition you want and it will appear in the favorites. So, for that, it's easy. You just put the transition between two clips or two images, or in the same video, you cut the video and put the transition on the line between the two clips. So you drag it and you drop it right here. Sometimes it might say like create duplicate frames for transition. So I'll explain that. To make the transition, you need a certain amount of frames. Sometimes if you cut the image or the duration of the clip itself, it's not enough. So the CapCut, it automatically generates more frames so you can go with a smooth transition. Now, just click on OK and let's see what we have. Okay, so you can, of course, choose anything you like. There are like tons of transitions and they are just drag and drop. Let's try dust flurry here. Okay, again. Okay, so that would be it. And let's get back to the favorite. And as we see, we got our favorite right here. I'll get back to you on the lesson of captions tab. And until that time, see ya.